Hi there. In this video, we will talk about web hosting. This is where we left off, and you can actually continue to register with GoDaddy, have a web hosting account with them, or you can go to somewhere else. So go to Google and look for web hosting services. You will be brought to this page. There are about 276 million results, and you'd notice that the first three here have a pink background. That means they are paid ads. This is the same as the right portion of your page. So these are all paid ads, and you call them pay-per-click or PPC. That means every time you click on this, the website owners pay Google a certain amount. So that's why it's called PPC or pay-per-click. Now, of course, you can click any of these web hosting websites or ads. We can try this, but you can also try the organic results, which are not paid ads, but they've done a lot in their search engine optimization. That's why they're in the first page. So if you go to, say, top 10 bestwebhosting.com, you will be brought to this page wherein, of course, he has top 10. His number one recommendation is iPage. Second is justhost.com. Third, FatCow. Fourth, Bluehost. And if you click this green button here, you will be brought to the corresponding pages or web pages of these web hosting companies. Now, if you go back to Google, you will notice that there are also other top 10 web hosting services, but from other websites. You have top 10 bestwebsitehosting.com here, and you have webhostingservices.us here, and others are also doing it. So if you click this, you will also have top 10 web hosting services, but the ranking will no longer be the same. So if you have iPage as the number one there, it is only number 2 in this particular website. So depending on how the web owners see it and review it, these hosting companies will differ in rankings. But bottom line, whichever hosting company you will go into, and if you click this or this, for as long as you purchase through these links, then these guys, these web owners will definitely have a commission. That is how affiliate marketing works, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with it. It's just that if you want to have an unbiased opinion, go back to Google and type in web hosting forum. So you can have webhostingtalk.com, warrior forum, or internetmarketingforums.net. So if you go to, say, hostingdiscussion.com, you will be asked to register, and you will have your own username and password, and you can join in their conversations. These are real-life experiences of different people on different web hosting services. You can go to warriorforum.com. They are the most popular forum as far as internet marketing is concerned, but they are no longer necessarily free these days. So whichever you're comfortable with as far as forums is concerned, go through the threads, reply, join the conversations, join the discussions, and you can see actual experiences of different people who have been there. Now, after reading the threads, the comparisons, the reviews, it's really up to you on which web hosting services to purchase from. So if you go back to your review site, say this site, and decide on the rank one and visit the site through this green button, then you will be brought to the iPage.com. So again, if you sign up and purchase from this site, that review site will actually receive a commission from iPage.com. That's affiliate marketing, and that's a good business. Now, after some reading on threads, and if ever it says that this particular web hosting is great, say it's HostGator, all you have to do is read through the plans. They have hatching plan, baby plan, business plan. And if you decide to get the least expensive, which is $3.96 a month, then it's really up to you. But then again, go through it, because you can only get $3.96 a month if you have 3 years. For a year or less than that, then you'll have $5.56 or $7 a month. You can also have philhosting.net if you're in the Philippines and it says it's only 100 pesos a month, or that's about $2.50. Now again, if you're a beginner, a web hosting service is great if it's budget friendly. The support is great. There is a cPanel. They give free domain names. You can add on domain, read all the features, compare them, and once everything's done, you can follow the instructions in purchasing a web hosting service. So that's about web hosting. That's about it for now. Thanks for watching.